This Coldwell Banker Pacesetter Steel Realtors property video is presented by Janice Cruz. Tired of looking for the right house? This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is priced to sell. This home boasts an open floor plan with high ceilings, crown molding in the main living area, and beautiful tile throughout the entire home. Each bedroom has a large walk-in closets. The kitchen has a tasteful backsplash, beautiful granite countertops, large pantry, and a built-in wine rack. Venture outside and enjoy the backyard. A pergola and an above-ground swimming pool are ready for entertaining. See now before it's too late. For more information, review the details below or contact Janice Cruz at 361-229-0535.